Will Bitcoin hit $250,000 this bull run? That's exactly what's looking like. Bitcoin is slowly starting to make a recovery and a shift. You see, earlier today, Bitcoin almost hit $100,000, went up to $98,000 before we saw a pullback as people are starting to take profits again. What's going on with Bitcoin? And more importantly, are we going to see this massive milestone? Let's talk about it. Before we go and ask if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below to stay tuned with the latest and greatest Bitcoin and crypto related news. All the month as we're up nearly 8%, and we see this month Bitcoin reached an all-time high of just over 108. Okay, and it was around this time where the market segments are shifting. We had the whole issue with the tariff wars, which caused Bitcoin to crash all the way to about $92,000, then rebounding back to 96, or no, it actually rebounded back to 101 before coming back to $96,000. And my prediction is we are going to see Bitcoin hit $100,000 this potentially next week. Now I say this because the markets are starting to recover again. Right, we're seeing green across the board. So we're up nearly 0.5% on the day. Fear ingredients went from fear back to neutral at 40%, which is good. And it's slowly looking like the shift is coming back to Bitcoin. And Bitcoin's getting stronger as the day comes. I just see technical analysis are looking pretty bearish as well, which goes for a good buying opportunity. If you want to take advantage of Bitcoin and the trends that come from Bitcoin. On this channel doesn't cover a lot of meme coins, and we're seeing a lot of meme coins in the Bitcoin theme. Meme coins are starting to do well again, with short interest going back into Bitcoin. One of these projects are BNB Bull, which is a brand new crypto pre-sale project that has raised over $1.1 million. I literally covered BNB Bull a couple days ago when it just runtime when it just launched, and it only had $500,000 raised. We see it's raised double the amount. And guys, in 3 days, they're going to be raising the price. This is one of the first rounds, the first round price. Now it's time to buy. So we should be our holder of BNB. This was really cool because the BNB Bull token is offering a free Bitcoin airdrop. Yeah. Earn free Bitcoin with BTC Bull. The BTC Bull community has a mega bullish opportunity to earn free Bitcoin by simply holding your BNB Bull tokens in your Best Wallet app, okay? So you get earn free Bitcoin airdrop by simply buying and holding this meme coin. So it's a 2-in-1. You already hold Bitcoin, you're bullish on Bitcoin. You want to buy BNB, Bitcoin related, not BNB, Bitcoin related meme coins. This is a 2-in-1 opportunity. If you want to buy Bitcoin Bull, Bitcoin Bull coin, link in the description below. Also, guys, if you want to know exactly a full detail breakdown of the project, I've made a video already talking about BTC Bull in depth. Check it out and on the channel already. Now, we go back to Bitcoin. We're looking at technical analysis before we start talking about BNB Bull. We see it's looking bearish. Oscillators in sell, move average in strong sell, some are in sell. However, guys, this is an opportunity rebuy. This is general market sentiment right now. So people are being fearful. When it rebounds, guys, when it goes back to these zones over here, that's when people are going to start getting greedy again, right? And for us to hit a $250,000 the market cap for Bitcoin, or $250,000 per coin Bitcoin, we're going to need more aggressive buying. And we're seeing a lot of great things happening within the community and the ecosystem, okay? We see a lot of Bitcoin news. What's been going on? It's time for the next leg, and the next leg is going to propel this to about 100 and what they're predicting 113, upwards of $180,000 per Bitcoin. That's the next milestone we need to achieve is about 110 to 120. We see gold versus Bitcoin. How easy is the transfer versus how hard is transfer gold? Which means some more bullish asset. Breaking news: U.S. state Texas proposed second strategic Bitcoin reserve bill with no buying limit. So again, this is giga bullish for Bitcoin. Also, guys, remember. The United States is going to potentially impose a no tax on crypto, so no capital gains. And also, Trump keeps saying how he wants to buy Bitcoin, have a crypto reserve for Bitcoin. And also, guys, remember something else to keep in mind with this whole Bitcoin stuff going on is we're seeing more and more bullishness happening even with the Bitcoin ETFs, right? Big money in Bitcoin ETFs as well. So again, a lot of exciting things happening with Bitcoin. I've seen a lot of posts of me. But again, a lot of things happening inside here with Bitcoin. We see Powell, banks are serving crypto customers, and we don't want to get in the way of the banking serves perfectly legal customers, okay? We're seeing a lot of bullish things happening for Bitcoin. I genuinely think the next leg for Bitcoin is going to be breaking the 110 zone. We see even MicroStrategies, which are now renamed to just strategies. It's just going all in on Bitcoin as well, right? So I'm going to take this into account, routine the Bitcoin ETFs into account, and all this bullish behavior happening within the markets. It makes me bullish as a holder. Large countries are starting to buy a Bitcoin as well, and more bullish behavior is happening across the board. But guys, like always, member analysis is financial advice. So always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the crypto to come on this channel. And let me know in the comments section below, what is your price prediction for Bitcoin this bull run? I genuinely believe we'll manage to see a $200,000 Bitcoin this bull run. 250 may be pushing it, but a 2x from here could be possible. This historically speaking, guys, every time the all-time high gets bigger and bigger, almost like times 3 or 4. So again, if we hit 60,000 last time, if we had 4x from here, we're looking at like $240,000 Bitcoin. But again, not financial advice. Let me know how you feeling about Bitcoin comment section below.